In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter lead form in Dorik. By the end, you'll know how to log in, add a subscription-style lead form to a page, and customize its text, button, and fields so it fits your brand and goals. Start by opening your browser and going to Dorik's login page. If you see the option to sign in, click it and choose the method you normally use. If you use Google, select the Google sign-in option and pick the account that's connected to your Dorik workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the site you want to work on and click Edit Site. This opens the visual builder where you can design and manage your pages. Give it a moment to load. Dorik will bring up the editor with your site's structure on the canvas. Inside the builder, look for the Components tab. This is your library of pre-built blocks you can add to a page. Open it and then find the Subscription Forms category. This section contains ready-made lead capture blocks designed to collect names, emails, and other details without starting from scratch. Browse the available templates and choose one that matches the layout and style you're going for. Click and drag the template onto your page and drop it where you want the form to appear. Watch for the placement indicator so the block lands in the right section and maintains your spacing. With the form on the page, click the text elements to rewrite the headline and description. Keep your message clear and specific. Explain what the visitor will get and why it matters. Edit placeholder text inside the input fields to guide users on what to enter, like your name or work email. Next, customize the button. Change the label to something action-oriented such as subscribe, get the guide, or request a demo. Adjust colors, size, and corner radius to match your site's style, and make sure there's strong contrast so the button is easy to read and accessible. You can also edit and add fields. Remove anything you don't need to reduce friction, or add fields like company, phone, or a drop-down for interest. Reorder fields to put the most important ones first, and mark essential fields as required. If you include a consent checkbox, keep the text short and clear. Before you wrap up, scan the form for alignment, spacing, and mobile responsiveness using the device preview in the editor. Save your changes so nothing is lost and do a quick test in the preview to confirm everything looks and reads the way you want. That's it, your lead form is now added and customized in Dorik.